So in this Notes app tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to create a numbered list on the Notes app. So it's very simple. If you just want to do it the simplest way, you can press 1, press dot, press enter, and it'll create a list like this. So wake up, you press enter, uh, check phone, shower. Like you can make a list this way. It just defaults automatically. If you don't have this option or it's not working for whatever reason, you can press capital A, lowercase a right here. You can press numbered list and it does the exact same thing. Just like this, right? You guys get the point. Now, if this isn't working either, go to the top left, press format, press unnumbered list like this, and it'll also create a list just like that. So you guys get the point. Those are 3 different ways on how you guys can add a numbered list on the Notes app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this helps.